So now let's go ahead for the installation part. I'll try my best to show you the installation part. So I'll just connect it to my browser. So you can see there is a page on the screen. So what I did is I have searched for the what I have written is download JDK 1.6. You can download it any version which you like. Fine. So you have seen I have written download JDK 1.6 or 1.7 or 1.8. You can download anything. Fine. Now you go to the first link which you get. So you click that link. The moment you click that link, you will get the next page. Fine. So you will get the next page. Now on that next page, what you can see, you have something. See, Java SE download. Fine. So I'll just scroll it down. You will see list of softwares in this. Fine. This is Linux 86, Linux x86, that is for 16 or 32-bit machines. Okay. And for 64-bit machines, there is additional Linux x64, that is for Linux. For Solaris, another OS, that is a Solaris, you also have x86 and x64. Then Solaris Spark, all these are the different OSs. So you have the Solaris Spark packages. And then coming to Windows. Now Windows is x86 for 32-bit platform and x64 for 64-bit platform. And then you have Linux Intel Itanium for Itanium processors. Fine. I series processor. I stands for Itanium series. So what I have is I have to download Windows 86 or Windows 64. Now the moment you click on this page file, you will get a message. You can see this message that you accept the Oracle binary code license, this download software. I reviewed and accept the binary code, and the moment you accept and say okay, it will take you to login page. Now in my case it won't take me to the login page because already I am registered. Fine. So it will directly start downloading that software. But in your case it will take you to the registration page where you have to register yourself. After registration they will send you a mail. You have to verify your mail. Fine. They will send you a mail. I'll just show you that mail. See, the mail will be something like this. Verify the email address. So you will get that mail. So you will verify this email address. After verification you have to log in, and after login you can download that particular software. Once you verify, you will land up with this page, and again after that login, if you click any of the version, it will get downloaded. Now this process already I have done. You do not have to do. I'll directly give you the link of the software in the group, so you can download that link and install it. So now I have two softwares already with me. Fine. You can see I have JDK. Just a moment, I'll try to increase the font size. So I have already JDK U261, x64 and x86. So let's say I'll click on x86. Now if it is not visible, I'm sorry, font is very small. Fine. So I'll just click on JDK 8U. Fine. 261 for Windows i586, that is 32-bit version. So I'm just clicking that. So I'll get something like this. This is the window for installation. And now what I'll do, I'll click next. So the moment I click next, it will say me preparing to install. So that was the first window. Now I'll try to show you the next window also of the setup. So you can see this is the next window. After clicking that next, I'll get this next window. Fine. This is the next window I am seeing. So I'll say next. The moment I say next, it will start installing. See, the installation is in progress. See, the installation is going on in progress. So everything will be getting installed step by step. So what you have to do is double click, select the next. By default setting, you just go on clicking next, and it will start installing. And see, finally what it will happen, what it says that Java JDK Kit 8 update successfully, the next step. Okay, so I can say close. So you can see your Java installed in this particular path. So you can see your installed Java software in this particular path. Once you have installed, you just go to the search bar and write CMD. What you will write? You will write CMD and your command prompt will get open. So what you will do? You will just write CMD and your command prompt will get opened. Fine. I'm telling you the total manual way how, if Java doesn't work in your machine, how you're supposed to work with that machine. I have reached the command prompt. Now at this command prompt, I am writing Javac. So what it is telling, Javac is not recognized as an internal command. Why? Because it is not in the path. If I write Java, the name of the compiler, it is in the path. It is giving me some output. And I got this output for Java, but I'm not getting the path for Javac. Now what I'll do is, I have to write my programs at some other place. So what I'm doing is, in my users folder, in my C drive, there is a users folder. In users, it will be your user created. Fine. In that, I'll write Java programs. Fine. What I'll do, I'll make one folder called as Java program. You can make it the way you want anywhere. So I'm creating one Java programs folder in my one of the path. I'll be showing you that path. You have to make a batch file. What that batch file will do, it will convert or it will complete the path after your machine is installed. Now this is complete mechanical way when you are not using editor. So I have opened a notepad. So first I am writing path equal to percentage path percentage. Now what this does, it will keep all the previous path as it is. It won't change any of the path. Fine. Now I'll see where is my exact compiler. So my compiler was, you know where? It was in C drive. Fine. In program files. In program files there is folder Java. In Java there was JDK. In JDK there is a bin. Fine. This is my complete path of the compiler. So what first I have written? Percentage path percentage. Then I have written C:program files x86 Java JDK bin. Now I'll put a semicolon here. Now second is where I am storing my code. That also is to be included in path. So I have used users HP, that is my path, and in HP there is programs. So this is my path where I'll store my programs. Fine. So what I'll do, even I'll include this much path also in path. So what this will do, this will search for the compiler in this particular places. Path, what it does basically is, it will have C: what it does, it is C:program files x86 Java JDK 8.1 1.8 sorry, and then program files x86 Java. So I've included bin folder and a parent of the bin folder in the path, and also I've included in bin folder the user where my program will be stored. That is the first part. Second part is write set class path, where it has to find the class equal to. Now what you will do, just copy paste this thing again. Just simply copy paste. Just simply copy paste set class path. So the spelling for the path is wrong. It should be class path. Fine. And now after that, what you will do, you will add your folder, like where you are. Fine. Where you are, you will where your program is stored, you will write in that path also. So what I'll do, First I'll write C colon, so it will take my from anywhere my file to C colon. I'll write cd backslash, and then I'll write cd users, which is my folder. Then I'll write cd hp, that is the next folder. Then I'll write cd java programs. Fine, and I'll write clear screen. Now what will happen? This will take me directly to the Java programs folder. Fine. Now what you have to do is you have to store this file. Where you will store this file? The moment you write cmd. Fine. The moment you write cmd, see in which folder you are landing. Fine. In which folder you are landing? I am landing in C colon users HP. I am landing in this. So what I'll do, I'll save this file in C colon my users folder. In that users folders there is an HP folder. In that HP folder I'll just rename this as java1.bat. I'll store this file as java1.bat. So you can see on the screen where I'm storing this file. I'm storing in C drive. Fine, in my C drive with users with HP. In that I'm making the file as java1.bat. Fine. So what will happen now? A batch file will be created. So I have saved that file. Fine. See, yet javac is not recognized. Yet javac is not recognized because my path is not yet set. Now I'll write java1. The moment I write java1, something has happened and the process has come to C colon users HP Java program. And now I'll write javac. So you can see javac is working now. So you can see javac is working now. Okay, why I am using .bat extension? Because for executable file only 3 extensions are used: .com, .exe and .bat. So using .bat I can execute that particular file. Rest of the files, like if it is a .extension cpp or .java, they are not executable file. Every time now when I'll go to command prompt, first time I will run java1.bat. Just I'll write java1. Once I write java1, it will take me to the Java editor.